Rough idle. Stalling at stoplights. Your idle air control IAC valve could be the culprit. A faulty idle air control IAC valve can make your engine struggle to maintain a steady idle speed. Since the IAC regulates airflow when your foot is off the accelerator, any malfunction can cause noticeable drivability issues. Common signs of a bad IAC valve: rough or unstable idle. Engine stalls when stopped. RPM fluctuates up and down. Hard starting, especially when cold. Engine almost dies when the AC is turned on.